Ms. Goldsweig, you and the defendant were roommates briefly. You moved into her apartment. Is it an apartment or a house?
Apartment.
2 bedrooms?
Correct.
And it didn't work out. And after a month, you left. You want your security deposit back.
Was after 8 weeks. It
Or
was
8
after
weeks.
8 weeks.
Okay, you
And
want your security deposit back.
Correct.
That's...
And loss of paid working day.
No, that's not happening. That's not happening. How much was your security deposit?
500.
Okay, let's deal with the security deposit. Why did you keep any of her security deposit?
Okay, the primary deduction for the security deposit was to replace a lock. That became a complicated situation where I was locked out of the apartment. There's a dual lock function, one of which can only be locked from the inside. And I arrived from work one day after her and I had a disagreement, and I was locked out. I could not access it. So about 7:30 p.m. is when I arrived. Around 10:30 is when I called the locksmith after I got permission from the building security.
So what happened is there's a lock that can only be locked from the inside and unlocked from the inside.
Right.
And your explanation for that was that you
I
didn't,
didn't
hear the phone.
I didn't lock it. And when she tried calling me, I didn't hear the phone, but when I woke up, it was unlocked.
Okay. Do you have the bill from the locksmith?
Yes, I do.
I'd like to see it. And that was on October 30th.
On October 30th is when the locksmith was able to come and restore the lock. On the night of October 29th is when he attempted to access the apartment. It was a failed attempt, and he couldn't get inside.
Okay. So the next day, he came back?
He had to come back since he couldn't get in.
He couldn't get in?
So I couldn't get in until she unlocked the door. I got in. He left.
Okay, so she finally unlocked the door.
She finally unlocked the door.
So what is this bill for, $355?
Well, because when he was attempting to get in, he felt like that if he could drill through the lock, he could put his hand in and unlock from the inside. But when he drilled through the lock, he couldn't fit his hand in to reach it. It was a little bit higher than his arm could go. So I went and slept in my car. And then she text messaged and she apologized to me for locking it.
May I see it?
Yes.
I thought that I was
Don't
locking.
speak.
Okay, sorry.
While she's looking for it, did you text her apologizing?
Yeah.
Okay, then you don't have to look for it anymore.
Okay.